Hey y'all, Miss Kother here. Ooh. Okay. I just finished with summer camp and I am tired. And I have to drive 12 hours tomorrow because I don't have much time to see people, and tomorrow's my day to go see people. But in case you're wondering what summer camp looks like when I do it, here's what you get. Dollar store shower curtain, cheap child's paintbrushes, and yes, I used this one a lot. Cheap paints, minus my glow-in-the-dark paint. I don't know where I put it. I went glow-in-the-dark paint, and this is what we got. Quick DIY galaxy decoration. I got this. This is not foil. I got this from Dollar Tree. Yet again, I saved every single old box I have. And here is my little satellite that I'm going to hang in the sky for my space theme.
way to the left. The more we give, the more we